Cognitive Challenge Program. Successful completion means building a tower with the red blocks until it is high enough to reach the yellow hologram. Once you have reached the correct height, press the green button to complete this challenge. You can't even wait until I finish speaking to go around pressing buttons? Have it your way, figure this out for yourself. Jackass. You look very silly fumbling around. I do not have access to much entertainment in this facility, so I am taking what I can get. Now that I am saying this out loud, I am feeling depressed. I did not think I was capable of that emotion. Thank you for helping me find additional functionality in my software. You are already halfway through the allocated time. If I were you, which fortunately I am not, I would work faster. Only 20 seconds to go. I am afraid your chances of success are decreasing rapidly, unlike the time, which is decreasing at the same rate it always does. 1 second per second for reference. Oh, now there is only 6 seconds to go. I hope I am not distracting you. Oh, you won. Even though you didn't listen to me and started mashing the start button before I could finish explaining the rules, you still managed to figure it out. Am I useless? Is my existence futile? Will the world continue to turn in its endless cycle despite my screams into its empty void? Why can't I be heard? Anyways, congratulations, jackass.